Hi kids. How are you today? Let's learn action words today. Eat means
खाना.
drink means
पीना.
fight means
लड़ना.
hide means
छुपना.
scare means
डरना.
shiver means
कांपना.
hurt means
चोट लगना.
clean means
साफ करना.
cook means
खाना बनाना.
cry means
रोना.
scream means
चीखना.
crawl means
रैनगना.
sneeze means
छींकना.
cough means
खांसना.
listen means
सुनना.
throw means
फेंकना.
catch means
पकड़ना.
yawn means
जमाई लेना.
So kids, you learned many action words today. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. See you again.